Okay, now students, let's start with the very first step of our agricultural practices. So what is our first step? Our first step is preparation of soil. So what actually happens in this? The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. So remember, this is the first step. Okay. Now, one of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. किसी भी फील्ड को तैयार करने के लिए सबसे पहले क्या करा जाता है? सबसे पहले मिट्टी को लूज करते हैं. ओके, और इसी को हम कहते हैं क्या? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. अब ये हम क्यों करते हैं? ताकि रूट्स डीपली पेनिट्रेट कर सकें सॉइल में. देखो क्या लिखा है. दिस अलाउज द रूट्स टू पेनिट्रेट डीप इनटू द सॉइल. द लूजन सॉइल helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. The thing is, why we are doing this? Why we want to give the deep penetration of roots of plants? Why? So they can absorb water easily. And this loosened soil also help in the growth of earthworms and microbes. मतलब इस लूज सॉइल में अर्थवर्म और माइक्रोब्स भी बहुत आसानी से कंफर्टेबली ग्रो कर सकते हैं. These organisms are friends of the farmer since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. I think you all remember this in your previous class also. You learnt about that why earthworm is known as farmer's friend. Why it called so? Because earthworm is responsible for turning and loosening of soil, as well as it is responsible for adding the humus in it. Okay, got it? Now come to the next slide. Just look at here. Here, as you are seeing, this picture. Yes, this orange one is the advanced plow, which is generally used by the farmer in modern days, or we can say nowadays they are using. Okay, so this is the modern tool. Now just after this you are seeing a black and white picture, or we can say the white picture is there now. So this is the old one. Okay, so what is plowing? Plowing is also known as tilling. Okay, so the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling. सिंपल है ना. क्या करना है? सॉइल को लूज करना है और पलटना है. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? टीलिंग या प्लोइंग. गॉट इट? नाउ मूव टू दी नेक्स्ट वन. Now here just try to understand this. What happened here? This is done by a plow. Plow are made of wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plowing. The plowed field may have big pieces of soil called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. Okay, now what we have to understand here, that why we are not preferring the manual process. Means किसान इन चीज़ों को हाथों से ही क्यों नहीं कर पाता? हमें मशीन की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? आप समझ सकते हैं. पहली बात, क्योंकि क्या होता है, क्रॉप फील्ड का साइज बहुत बड़ा होता है ना। और दूसरी बात, अगर हम यहाँ पे मशीन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो मशीन की मदद से ये प्रोसेस जल्दी और आसानी से हो जाएगी। ठीक है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज a picture of plow. Okay, plow is being used since ancient time for tilling the soil, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping of soil, etc. So here these all are the functions of plow. It means by plowing what we performed, what we can perform with this: tilling of soil, adding fertilizer, removing the weeds, scraping the soil, etc. Okay, here in this picture just try to understand one more thing. Just see, here a farmer is doing plowing, and just try to observe the instrument, or we can say look, the instrument is here. Here you can see the plow shaft and plowshare. Okay, and one big beam is there on which this plow is resting. Easy?